Women Teachers Association ndeketire guthundura tabarira ya Gukuria Arimu Atumia itemini rya okwa kana itemini rya insurance iri kumatethereria kumarugamerera riria mitino yoneka kiaria ari mwena kaunti ya Manga murugamereri wa mukaru wa Ruhonge no riwikaine ta benta upande ni ugite ati marihi kana aria marikoragwo makiriha ciringi 1000 niguo gukorwo ni mathaitirwo na makiria hindi ria mitino teno yoneka.
When a teacher gets an accident, by paying just 1,000 in a year, if they pass on, unfortunately, their family are given 150,000 shillings within 48 hours. If they lose a limb permanently, they are given 150,000 to cover for that. When they are in hospital because of an accident, they are paid for a bill contribution of 20,000. When they lose their eye or their tooth, 10,000 for every or injured. And while they are from work, there's a small amount of money they are given per week to sustain them because they are not earning it. And that is that we have brought them. It is a program which we have signed an MOU with Direct Line Insurance for 3 years. So we are encouraging teachers to come on board. It is the cheapest but the best. To be able to do it for every teacher. So we are also calling upon the government to join hands with us. We also bring our teachers on the IT platform.
Tunaambia members wetu wa join kitu inaitwa table banking. Table banking ni ile mnachanga kado kidogo tu. Mnachanga, alafu mkimaliza kuchanga, mmoja anachukua, anarudisha na interest. Hiyo ni mzuri sana sababu inaendelea kukuza kila wakati. Tunaenda kwa chairo, tunaenda kutafuta wapi. Even sisi tunaweza fanya hiyo table banking ya retired teachers. Sababu kuna wale wengine waliretire kitambo, they are just there. Unajua ukiretire chana na serikali, unaenda unagoja pension. Hata NHIF inakato, inasimamisha kila kitu. Walikuwa marafiki wako wengine wanakuacha. So tunawaleta on board. Tumefanya hivyo ni siaya.
Haya nitoshokereria mwirori wa muthingi no kumenyithia maria mariko thini